Imagine a world where AI computing is faster, more efficient, and more accessible than ever before. Welcome to the revolutionary world of Groq's cutting-edge chip architecture, poised to change the game for the tech industry. The current state of AI computing is plagued by inefficiencies, with many systems struggling to keep up with the demands of complex AI workloads. However, Groq's innovative solution promises to deliver unprecedented performance and energy efficiency, making it an attractive option for companies looking to stay ahead in the AI race. But what exactly is Groq's chip architecture, and how does it work its magic? Let's dive into the details and explore the key features that make it so revolutionary.
At its core, Groq's chip architecture is designed to accelerate AI workloads by leveraging a combination of innovative hardware and software features. One of the key components is the use of a custom-designed processor, optimized for AI-specific tasks. This processor is capable of executing multiple AI workloads simultaneously, significantly reducing the time it takes to complete complex tasks. Another key feature of Groq's chip architecture is its ability to scale seamlessly. Whether you're working with small edge-based AI systems or large, data center-based deployments, Groq's architecture is designed to adapt and optimize performance accordingly. This means that companies can deploy AI solutions at scale without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. But what about the energy efficiency aspect of Groq's chip architecture? How does it manage to reduce energy consumption by 75% compared to traditional AI computing solutions? The answer lies in the innovative use of power management techniques and optimized chip design.
One of the most significant advantages of Groq's chip architecture is its ability to dynamically adjust power consumption based on the specific workload being executed. This means that the chip can switch between high-performance and low-power modes, depending on the requirements of the task at hand. In addition to this dynamic power management, Groq's chip architecture also incorporates a range of other power-saving features, including low-leakage transistors and optimized clocking. These features work together to reduce energy consumption, making Groq's chip architecture an attractive option for companies looking to reduce their carbon footprint. But not everyone is convinced that Groq's chip architecture is the silver bullet for AI computing. Some critics argue that the technology is still in its infancy, and that the industry is too far along to make such a drastic switch. Others argue that the costs associated with deploying Groq's chip architecture are prohibitively high, making it inaccessible to many companies.
As the debate rages on, one thing is clear: Groq's chip architecture is a game-changer for the AI industry. Whether you're a tech aficionado or a business leader, it's essential to stay informed about the latest developments and their potential impact on the industry. So, what does the future hold for Groq's chip architecture? Will it become the standard for AI computing? Or will it remain a niche solution for select companies? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain: Groq's innovative solution is here to stay, and it's changing the game for the tech industry.
So what does this mean for you? Whether you're a business leader, a developer, or simply someone interested in the latest AI trends, it's essential to stay informed about the potential impact of Groq's chip architecture on the industry. That's why we're excited to offer you an exclusive opportunity to learn more about this revolutionary technology and how it can benefit your business. Join our upcoming webinar to discover the latest developments and insights from industry experts. Don't miss out on this chance to stay ahead of the curve and unlock the full potential of AI computing. Register now and get ready to revolutionize your business with Groq's cutting-edge chip architecture. And if you found this information helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analysis and expert insights on the latest AI trends. We're committed to helping you stay informed and up-to-date on the latest developments in the AI industry. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.